Hi students, welcome to Kribai Tuition Center. In this video we are going to see subtraction. Subtraction is denoted by the symbol minus, which is a horizontal line, small horizontal line. Now subtraction means to take away or finding the difference between two numbers. Now let us proceed on. First we are going to understand subtraction using pictures. Now see, you can see a plant having 5 flowers. A girl named Hasini plucks 2 flowers from the plant. How many flowers are now left in the plant? Look at the picture. There were 5 flowers in the plant and Hasini took away 2 flowers. So these 2 went off. Now how many flowers are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So subtraction means to take away. Let us see some more examples. See, you have 7 cones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now they are asking you to take away 2 cones. 7 minus 2. So take away 2 cones. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 cones are remaining. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Here you have 3 trees and 2 trees are cut down. Now you have remaining 1 tree. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. There are 3 bulbs and none of the bulb is switched off. That is 3 minus 0. So we are not going to take off any. Then how many bulbs will be remaining? 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 0 is 3. So any number, when you subtract that number with 0, you will get the same number as your answer. So 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6 minus 0 is 6. Now we will see how to do single digit subtraction. First sum 8 minus 3. Now see, when you are adding, you will keep one number in the mind and the other number in your finger and you will start counting. Here you are going to keep one number in the mind and count till the next number. Count till the next number. Now 3 in the mind and till 8 we are going to count. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So stop with this. Here you have only 8. So how many fingers you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is your answer. Now next sum 7 minus 5. Now 5 in the mind, till 7 you need to count. After 5, 6, 7. How many fingers you got? 1, 2, 2. So 2 is your answer. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Next sum 6 minus 5. Now count after 5. Keep 5 in the mind and after 5, 6. Here you have 6. So how many fingers? 1 finger. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Next 5 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5. So 2 fingers. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Here 9 minus 3. Now after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 6 fingers. So 6 is your answer. Now 4 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4. Here you have 4. So you got 2 fingers. So 2 is your answer. Now 4 minus 4. So after 4 can you count till 4? No. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So when you subtract with the same number, you will get 0 as your answer. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Next, 5 minus 0. So when you subtract any number with 0, you will get the same number as your answer. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 0, 6. So whenever you subtract a 0 from any number, you will get the same number as your answer. And whenever you subtract same numbers, you will get 0 as your answer. Next, we are going to see subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Now, see here, this is ones place and this is tens place. So, there are 2 digits. Now, we are going to do 63 minus 32. So, first we are going to subtract the number in the ones place and then we proceed on to subtract the tens place. First, 3 minus 2. So, count after 2, 3. So, you have one finger. So, 1 is your answer. Next, 6 minus 3. Now, count after 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 fingers. 3 is your answer. So, 63 minus 32 is 31. Next, 54 minus 12. Now, in the ones place, 4 minus 2. Now, after 2, till 4 you need to count. After 2, 3, 4. So, you got 2 as your answer. 2 fingers. Now, 5 minus 1. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many fingers? 4 fingers. So, 42 is your answer. Next, 7 minus 5. Now, after 5, 6, 7. You got 2 fingers. So, 2 is your answer. Now, 2 minus 1. After 1, 2. You got 1 as your answer. Now, here, 94 minus 73. First, 4 minus 3. Now, after 3, 4. 1 finger. So, 1 is your answer. 9 minus 7. So, after 7, 8, 9. 21 is your answer. Next, 85 minus 33. Now, 5 minus 3. So, keep 3 in the mind. Till 5 we need to count. After 3, 4, 5. You got 2 as your answer. So, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now, 8 minus 3. Now, count after 3 till 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, you got 5 fingers. So, 85 minus 33 is equal to 52. Now, 71 minus 40. 1 minus 0. So, when you subtract any number with 0, you will get the same number as your answer. So, 1 minus 0 is 1. Now, 7 minus 4. So, after 4, 5, 6, 7. So, you got 3 fingers. So, 31. Next, 54 minus 34. Now, ones place. 4 minus 4. So, when you subtract the same numbers, you will get 0 as your answer. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now, 5 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5. So, you got 2 fingers. So, 2 is your answer. So, 54 minus 34 is 20. Here you have 3 minus 3. So, when you subtract same numbers, you will get 0 as your answer. Here also 3 minus 3, 0. So, your answer is 0. So, 33 minus 33 is 0. Next, we are going to see subtraction by borrowing. I am going to subtract 48 from 72. See, first we will understand subtraction by borrowing. So, for that what I am going to do? I am going to write this number in the expanded form. How can I write? 72 is nothing but 7 tens. That is 70 plus 2 ones. This is ones and this is tens. So, I can write it as 2 plus 70 is 72. 70 plus 2 is 72. Now, 48, how can I write? 4 tens. So, 40 plus 8 ones. So, this is ones and this is tens. Now, I am going to subtract. First, we should subtract from the ones place and then move on to the tens place. So, I need to subtract 8 from 2. Is it possible? Can we subtract 8 from 2? No, this is not possible because 2 is lesser number than 8. 8 is greater number than 2. So what I am going to do is, I am going to borrow from the tens place. So how much I can borrow? I can borrow 10. Here it becomes 60 and from tens place I am getting a 10. So this becomes 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So now this 2 becomes 12. I am getting a 10 from the tens place and adding it along with the ones place. So 10 plus 2 becomes 12. Now normal subtraction. After 8, count till 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4. 4. Here plus. Now 60 minus 40. Now subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 4. Now after 4, 5, 6. 20. So 20 plus 4 is 24. So 24 is your answer. Now we will do normally. Now cancel this 7. Put this 6 here. Bring this 1 here. This 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 24. So for understanding subtraction, I have explained you in expanded form. Now we will do one more sum to understand subtraction. 754 minus 365. Now 4 in ones place, 5 in tens place and 7 in hundreds place. Now I am going to write this in expanded form, that is 700. So 700 plus 5 tens. So 50 plus 4 ones. Next 365. So 300 plus 60 plus 5. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now we are going to subtract. See, I cannot subtract 5 from 4. So I need to borrow from the tens place. From tens place I can borrow only 10. So 50 becomes 40. This 10 comes here. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So this 4 becomes 14. Now normal subtraction. After 5, count till 14. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you get 9 fingers. So put 9 here. Plus. Now 40 minus 60. I cannot subtract 60 from 40. So I am going to borrow now from the hundreds place. From hundreds place I can borrow only 100. So this 700 becomes 600. I am going to get a 100 here. So 100 plus 40. So 100 plus 40 becomes 140. So here now this 50 we have made it into 140. Now we will subtract 0 minus 0 is 0. Now after 6 count till 14. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you got 8 fingers. So I will write a 8 here. 80. Now 600 minus 300. 0, 0. After 3 count till 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 3. 300 plus 80 plus 9 is 389. This is your answer. Now we will do it normally without doing it in the expanded form. Now from 4 we cannot subtract 5. So I am borrowing. So this 5 becomes 4 and this 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 5 is 9. Next. Here you have 4 and 6. So I am borrowing from here. So 7 becomes 6 and this 1 comes here and this becomes 14. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 389. Understood? Now we will practice some problems. 65 minus 36. So from 5 we cannot subtract 6. So I am going to borrow from here. 6 after giving 1 it becomes 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now this 1 comes here and this becomes 15. Now 15 minus 6. Count after 6 till 15. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9. Write 9 here. 5 minus 3. After 3, count till 5. After 3, 4, 5. So 2 fingers. Put 2. So 29 is your answer. Next up, 74 minus 47. Now, from 4, I cannot subtract 7. So I am borrowing from here. 7 becomes 6 and this 1 comes here, 14. Now, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, 7 fingers. We need to count till 14. Now, 6 minus 4. After 4, count till 6. So, after 4, 5, 6, 2. 27 is your answer. Next, 86 minus 49. Now I cannot subtract 9 from 6, so I am borrowing from here. 8 becomes 7 and 6 becomes 16. Now count after 9 till 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 fingers. 7 is your answer. Now 7 minus 4. Count after 4 till 7. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 fingers. So 37. Next. 56 minus 28. I cannot subtract 8 from 6. So I am borrowing from here. 5 becomes 4 and 6 becomes 16. Now after 8, count till 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 fingers. 16 minus 8 is 8. Next, 4 minus 2. So now count after 2 till 4. After 2, 3, 4. So 2 fingers. So 28 is your answer. Next sum. 43 minus 17. So I cannot subtract 7 from 3. So I borrow 1 from 4. So 4 becomes 3 and 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 7. Count after 7 till 13. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 fingers. So 6 is your answer. 3 minus 1. After 1 count till 3. After 1, 2, 3. So 2 fingers. So 26 is your answer. Next sum. I cannot subtract 7 from 2. So I will borrow from 9. Now 9 becomes 8 and 2 becomes 12. Now after 7 count till 12. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 fingers. So put 5 here. Now 8 minus 3. Now count after 3 till 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 fingers. So 55 is your answer. Next we are going to see subtract using number line. Now see, this is the left side of the board and this is the right side of the board. And for you, when you are writing with the hand, you will move to the right, that is move to the left of the board means you will use your hand to move to the right, and moving to the right of the board means you will move to the left. You will move your hand to the left. Now for addition, what did we do? We moved to the left of the board. Now for subtraction, we are going to move to the right of the board. That is, you are going to move your hand to the left side. See this? If you want to add, you will move to this side. If you want to subtract, you will move to the opposite side. Now we will work out some problems. First sum, 5 minus 2. So I am standing on 5. So minus means I should move to the right of the board. Minus 2. 2 steps to the right of the board. So from 5, 1, 2. I come and stand at 3. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Next, 4 minus 4. I am standing on 4 minus 4. So 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I come to 0. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next, 3 minus 6. I am standing on 3. Minus 6 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I come to minus 3. So 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Next one, 2 minus 7. Now I am standing on 2. Minus 7 steps to the right of the board. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I come to minus 5. So 2 minus 7 is equal to minus 5. Next, 5 minus 7. So I am standing on 5. Minus 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I come to minus 2. Now what you can see from this, when you will subtract these two numbers and put the sign that the greater number has to your answer. Thanks for watching.